Hi, dear students. Today we are going to learn about pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. We have got one example here. Harry is absent because Harry is ill. In this sentence, you can see the name Harry is used twice, two times. But it is better to avoid the repetition of the noun Harry and say Harry is absent because he is ill. In the first clause, the original name Hari is used. In the second clause, instead of using Hari or Hari, he is used. A word that is thus used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. We have to say the real name only for once. Later on, we have to use its pronoun, he. Read the following sentence. I am young. We are young. You are young. They are young. He, she, it is young. I, we, you, he, she, it. They are called personal pronouns because they stand for the three persons. What are the three persons? One is the person speaking. Second one, the person spoken to. Third one, the person spoken of. The pronoun I and we, which denote the person or pronoun speaking, are said to be personal pronouns of the first person. I, we. Because we can say so many examples using I. I am going to school. We are we are writing our homework. So in this sentence, we can say, who is the doer of action? Doer of the action, either I or we. So we can say these pronouns as the first persons. I is first person singular, we is first person plural. The pronoun you, which denotes the person or persons spoken to, is said to be personal pronoun of the second person. You can be used either as singular or plural. The pronouns he, she, and they, which denote the person or persons spoken of, are said to be personal pronouns of the third person. He, she, they. Because we can talk about them. No, they are not always present along with us. They are absent at the time of speaking. So they are called third persons. The following are the different forms of the personal pronouns. Nominative. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These pronouns are called nominative. Why they are called nominative at the time of using? When it is used, because they are used in the place of subjects. I am going to school. Who is the subject here? I is the subject. We are writing our homework. Who is the subject? We is the subject. You. You are drawing a picture. So you is the subject. He writes a novel. He is the subject. Like the pronouns that can be used in the form of subject is called nominative. Next, possessive. My, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, etc. These are used as possessive because they are in they can be used as possessive adjectives. This is my book. That is possessive. It shows possession. Mine. It is also used for possession, but it is possessive pronoun. Anyway, these words, my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, these words are used for showing possession. That's why they are called possessive pronouns. Next one is accusative. Accusative me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Why? Because it is used in the form of in the place of object. So a pronoun that is used in the place of subject, it is called nominative. In the place of possessive, it is called possessive pronouns. In the place of object, it is called accusative.